reptiles. So what I'm doing now is just basically taking all the lifted sides of the nail so that I can get a filling, and that's just all I'm doing right now. Just lifting, taking up all that extra stuff that's lifted up so I can just refill the nails. So that, hey guys, so I removed all the top of the nails so that I can start filling in. As you can see, I filled in here, I filled in here, and I'm gonna continue to. Hey guys, so after me taking out the top so I can get a filling, this is the result of me filling it in with the acrylic powder. Of course, you have to use the acrylic liquid together so that you can fill this in, and all you have to do is just basically, I'm gonna show you in this now. Basically what you do is you wet your brush, you dip it in here, and basically what you do is just grab like a little ball and you place it right there and just pat it a little bit so that it can spread, and then just slide it down. That's basically all you're doing. So remember, you gotta wet it first, grab the ball, and then just pat it down. Basically all you do. Hi guys, so look, this is the aftermath of me filling in my cuticles. So now I'm gonna buff it out and just follow them a little bit to the shape that I want, and then I'll be back with the color.